Hey guys, what's going on? Back with some Marvel Collect. This is going to be somewhat of a fast, quick video. Mainly because I'm sitting by the window. It's summertime. It's really hot, and there might be a lot of crazy noises coming out the window. But a lot of people have been asking for me to do more Marvel Collect, and I do want to. I was just, like I said before, I was honestly just hoarding coins, trying to get to 1 million coins. But I figure, you know what? Like somebody else mentioned, I'm missing out on a lot of packs, and I saw the pop collection, so that's I'm just claiming my free stuff, 2,000 coins. Mystery box, Black Venom, like an Aquamarine X23, and a Black Jubilee. And okay, so those are the free ones. I'll do the wheel spin. You get 3 spins, as you guys probably know. And I'm gonna actually look to try and complete the entire pop collection or get close to it. Black Knight, like a magenta pink. And the reason could be you might start getting a lot of duplicates and Scarlet Spider. Parallel, I believe that was. And some free coins, 1,000 free coins. So let me go back. I'm gonna go to the store and look for the pop collection. One of my favorites. It's kind of plain and simple, so that's one of the reasons I like it. So it'd be this one, and it's new. So and they're only 750 a pack. So here's pack 1. Miles Morales green, Black Widow green, Morbius black. And I don't mind doing this because you do get a lot of cards, so I can build my collection and earn more mission points. I think coins. I mean, Green Jonah, and the first one is the Hulk. So that's pretty cool. I probably shouldn't have screenshot. Last time I screenshot, the whole thing shut down. So I gotta remember to do that. And Sunspot Red. And there might be a time I might have to pause this video. Like I said, I'm obviously doing it, recording it live. I don't edit, and there might be crazy noises coming out the window because I live in a busy town. Sunspot Silver, Green Storm, and Silver Dazzler. I'm gonna try and make a mental note of how many I'm opening. I think this is 4. I'm just gonna go with 4. Red Thanos, Beta Ray Bill Green, and Domino Silver. Pack 5. Miss Marvel, red. Crimson Dynamo, silver. And Black Panther pop card, so that's cool. So that's 2. I think, how many total are there? That's what I was saying. It looked like there's 16. All right, so maybe I'll do like try and get maybe up to half or something like that, or maybe do like a 15 pack opening, see what I can get, and then maybe make a second video. I thought I maybe might want to do it all in one shot, but I didn't realize for some reason it was 16 of them. Winter Soldier green, Sage blue, Armor black. Here's pack 6. Juggernaut, Jessica Jones, silver, and Ms. Marvel black. Good part is it looks like I have a pretty decent collection, being that some of those are duplicates. Daredevil green, Professor X silver, Iron Fist green. Let's say this is 8. I think it probably is 8. Lockjaw, Captain America. Oh, that one's pretty sick. I like that one. Hopefully it don't freeze on me. Okay. So that's 3. I'm gonna go with this is 9. Electra, green. Spider Ham blue, and another hit, which is that Avengers also? I guess technically, I guess it's some sort of Avengers. Here's 10. Storm blue, Professor X and Psylocke green. Here's 11. Menace green, She-Hulk blue, Captain America green. Here's pack 12. Iron Lad silver, Agent Venom, and Black Widow green. Iron Fist. And I guess, are these all Avengers? I'm probably so stupid sometimes. I think they're all Avengers, right? That one looks pretty awesome too. So I say, like, they're simple and clean looking. It's pretty nice. Green Goblin green, Wolverine silver, and Agent Venom blue. The thing though, like, I think that are going to make some people's collection better than others, or these are all this year's collection. You can't go back and get last year, so that's pretty cool, I guess, in a way. Colossus blue, Cyclops green, Black Knight red. I'm gonna say that was 15. I lost track already because I was talking. Maybe I'll go up to 20. 16. Emma Frost, Gamora, Kid Omega. 17. Mighty Thor, green, War Machine green, Carnage silver. 17, I believe. Black Knight silver, Loki red, Elektra blue. 18. Juggernaut. Nice. Avengers. And Luke Cage silver. So we got 6 out of 16. 19, pack 19. Silver Black Bolt. Spider-Man blue. And Iron Man pop card, so that's cool. Here is pack 20. Green Domino, Falcon black, and Sunspot silver. So that was 20. I'm just gonna go till I get one last one, and then that will be it for this. The hood. The Avengers. Also, again, really nice. Probably my favorite one there. And Magic green. So these you can get pretty. You know what? Maybe I'll just keep going or something. Well, that is actually half of it. Whoops. See how much time I got. I got. Alright, that's fine. I'll keep going. Because I usually try and make the videos about like 12 or 13 minutes. I'll just keep going then. Cannonball, Spider-Man green. And it's kind of like anything. If you're on a hot streak, why stop, right? You know? So that is. Actually, that's pack 20. 22. I'll just keep track so I can know for the title. Wow. So I'm doing really, really well. I got like 10 of them in like, what, 22 packs, so I'm averaging pretty well. Black Panther, Thanos, Menace. So maybe I can complete the whole set. Maybe. The only problem is I don't want to start getting duplicates and then like you get strung into like getting 5 duplicates. Spider-Man, Doctor Strange, I think that was Medusa, silver. That was 23. This is 24. Quasar, Moonlight, Black Bolt. 24. Dazzler, red. Typhoid Mary, red. And Cyclops. And I'm getting a lot of new cards, so that's always good. See, and that's the thing too. As soon as I think I'm on a hot streak, I might complete the whole set. Then I Crystal, Magneto. I keep thinking of his name as Magento for some reason. My brain is like rearranging the letters. This might be like 26. Agent Venom, Valkyrie. I'm gonna go to 30. If I don't get anything, I don't get anything. 26. Kitty Pryde, Howard the Duck, Morbius. That's funny that Disney now owns Donald the Duck and Howard the Duck. 27, I believe. Rhino, Scorpion, Green Goblin. 28. Nimrod, red. Dazzler, blue. And Cable. Yo, this is 29. See, that's the thing. You do pretty well, then you hit a cold streak. Agent Venom, silver. Menace, green. Ghost, Spider, green. And this will be the last pack. Make it a 30, because I'm hitting a cold streak anyways. Kingpin, Hawkeye, Thanos. I'll do one more for good luck. Then I'll just see what X-23, Miles Morales, Marvel Girl. You know what, then let's make it 35, because I'm already a couple up. Falcon, Black Cat, Marvel. And I'm getting a lot of the, like I said, the parallel colors. Let me see, this is 32. Menace, Sharon Carter, Black Panther. See, that's the problem. Now I'm going to start hitting duplicates. 34. And I'll just call it 35. Malekith, Morbius, Valkyrie. Unless it starts freezing up on me. And last pack. Then I'm going to see what I missed. Havoc, Gamora, Magic. So let me just look at the progress. That was 35 pack opening. I got 6 left. Unless they didn't release them yet. Sometimes that actually happens. Okay, so it tells you what I have left. Captain America, a Black Widow, a Thor, Avengers 2, Avengers 6, Avengers 8. So they're obviously all Avengers. Let's see what this one is. How do I go back this way? Alright, I'll leave it at that. Because my phone's gonna overheat anyways, so. Oh, and this is the bonus one here. Oh, that's pretty cool. I feel like there's better ones that could have been the bonus that are actually in the pack, but who am I to complain? So I'll this will be part 1. Eventually, I'll come back and do part 2, and try and complete the set. All right, I'll see you guys later. Thanks.